I'm here with Ian Weir from Ontario Thermal Wall Systems. What he does is straw bale construction, and that's what we've chose to use on this project. Could you please explain a little bit of the process and how it's involved?
Basic straw bale construction, the way it normally works is what's known as site-built straw bale construction is you take the straw bales, you stack them like bricks on a foundation, and you plaster the outsides, and then there's a top plate, and then you put a roof on. It's environmentally friendly because you're using a waste product, straw, and it's also like an R35, R40 wall system. So you get huge savings on operating costs. Now the difference of what we're doing here is we're doing a prefabricated system. So we're building them all here in the workshop, and then we're going to transport them to site. The main differences between site-built and prefabricated are that we're building these walls laying flat inside, indoors, and that cuts down a lot on the labor rate, because normally plastering vertically is labor intensive and you have to do several coats. But by doing them flat, you can just pour the plaster and then finish it, and you can do it a lot quicker. Here you get sort of more controlled, consistent building method, and often when you're building on site, you get to deal with weather and you have to use tarps and so forth. So it's just a different way of building. It has, I think it's got some better benefits than doing the site build. Often, while the foundation's being built, these walls are being built separately, where normally you'd have to depend on the foundation to be ready. So right now the foundation for this project hasn't even started yet, and we were already pouring the last part of the first floor. So we'll have those walls already ready before the foundation is ready. Realistically, to build one home, that's fine to be mixing by hand in a mortar mixer, but when you get to the point where you're building several homes, you'll need to speed up the process, make it more efficient, because mixing by hand is a lot of work. And so the idea by this is just taking the labor and trying to really reduce it and getting a more cost-effective wall system.